Welcome. All right, so let's get into it.
Like and subscribe,
I'm
please.
excited to show you guys a tour of my apartment. I absolutely love the way that it came out. My apartment is about just under 600 square feet, so it's a very small apartment. A lot of the decorations, I kind of did a DIY. For example, I have a video on my channel where the mirror tray table that you see, I actually made that myself. The coffee table I got from Wayfair, and I ordered that glass or acrylic bookcase from some website online, but I absolutely love that clear acrylic bookcase. And then my little end table I got from Amazon for like 120 bucks. And the ghost chair, I also got from Amazon. Now, my Glam pillow, you actually can find from Amazon. I actually custom designed that and I sell that on Amazon, so you can find that there. I put some hooks up to hang my purse, which I use a backpack as my purse, and hang up keys and things like that. Those acrylic little stools you see at the counter, I got those from Wayfair as well. I'm a Wayfair girl. I love Wayfair. They have a lot of amazing stuff. So this is my little kitchen area over here. Kind of tight, but gets the job done. And then you have off to the right my master bedroom, which I put a little mirror in the corner there for when I get dressed. And I have my bedding, which I absolutely love. My night tables I got from Amazon as well, and more of my Amazon glitter pillows, or pillows, I should say, which I will link in the description where to get those Glam pillows. The other pillows you see behind the Glam pillows I got from Home Goods. And my chandelier I got from Walmart.com. Yes, Walmart.com actually has this stuff. They're becoming like Amazon to me. They have a lot of great stuff, a lot of great decor. I got the rug in the living room from Walmart. And this rug you see on the floor I got from Overstock. So this is my apartment. Small but cute. I love tiny spaces. I love efficiency, minimalism, and I think everything came out exactly how I wanted. I love it. The lamps I got from Home Goods as well. And I just love the way everything came out. I absolutely love my bedding. I love it. Closet over there. Yeah, so just peek through and let me know in the comments if you have any questions on anything. I made those little pictures, the little quotes as well. Just printed them, got them printed at Staples, and decorate them. But yeah, I hope you like. So I just want to say I'm not like big on dressers. I feel like they're huge, they take a lot of space, especially in a smaller space. So I just folded all my clothes in my closet and just stuck them in there, and it actually worked out just fine folding my clothes up and keeping them stored in here. And plus I can see everything. I'm a big believer in out of sight, out of mind. If I can't see it, I don't remember I even have it. So I like being able to see everything that I have and that's available to me. Over here is my master bathroom, and it has a walk-in shower, which I absolutely prefer. I switched out the shower head for one that had higher water pressure and that had more water spouts, because the one that came with it wasn't doing it for me. And I like that I have a nice big vanity, enough room to put on makeup and lay my makeup out. So I want to take this time to say, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, Rich Politics. yeah, go ahead and follow me there if you want to check out some of my pics and reels that I have on there. So this concludes the end of my apartment tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.